scent. So if you like mahogany teakwood, this reminds me of mahogany teakwood. I'm looking like the bum I am, and I don't care. It's a new day. It's a new dawn. It is Thursday, and I am down here. We're about to leave to take Mackenzie
to school.
So I need to brush her hair. She doesn't have a hair appointment until next week. Come.
Boom.
So until then, we just have to make it do what it do. Make
and
it do.
I have show and tell today. Boom. Here comes a blazing flash.
Alright.
Boom. I'm walking down the road. I'm walking down.
Oh, Kizzy.
There. The big hair. I'm walking. Hey! You're supposed to be back on you.
Put that down. Come on, Scum.
Okay. I can't believe you put that little that keychain on.
Why can't you believe it? Okay, we gotta stop at the store. I have my camera because we're gonna stop at the store, and I gotta get Mackenzie a Lunchable because we are out of bread, so I can't make her a sandwich for lunch. And after we drop Mackenzie, I need to go. Kind of want to go to Bath and Body Works. I don't know what time they open. I need to go to a couple of stores, but I need to get back because I have work to do that needs to be turned in today, just like yesterday. And I don't want to be out all day. So let's go. So got my coffee. Dropped Mackenzie off. Got coffee. I got a venti iced Americano. 4 pumps of brown sugar syrup, 4 pumps of vanilla with a splash of oat milk. It's my go-to drink. So, next, I am going to go to... I need to go to Five and Below. I need gas. Five and Below. There's no sale at Bath and Body Works, so I'm not for buying candles from Bath and Body Works that aren't on sale, so that might be a dud. I might not do that today. And then we're going home. Five and Below, definitely. So let's go to Five and Below. All right, guys. So we're back. Finally back in the house. I feel like you're crooked. Okay. If you're crooked, I'm sorry. It is 11:45. I'm hot. It's hot today. I didn't know it was gonna be so hot. But anyway, I went shopping, so I wanted to do a haul before, you know, I close this vlog out because this vlog is not going to be super long. So I did end up going to Bath and Body Works. I went to Sephora, and I went to Five and Below. So I'm gonna show you what I got from Five and Below first. Five and Below always gets me. Like, I went in there for a car mount thing for my phone because I like watching TV when I'm driving. Don't judge me. And I ended up with other stuff. So first thing I got was the stick-on smartphone holder. It looks like this. Rotates 360 degrees. Automotive grade adhesive pad. Stick on and remove as many times as you like. And it doesn't leave any residue. So I got this. I also got another little light up LED car charger because I think the one in my car doesn't work as good and it doesn't charge my phone. And I got another case for my phone because I use this black case because it sticks to anything, but it's not cute at all and I want a cute case. So I got this pink and ivory colored case. I also got this clip-on microphone. I want to try to use this on my camera, on my Canon camera upstairs because I just don't feel like buying a Rode microphone. I just want to see, it's a lapel mic, and I want to see if it works or how it works. So, yeah. I also got these 2 pairs of, well, these are slipper socks, faux Sherpa lined, for me, and then my husband. He is always cold, like freezing cold, and he likes to take my fuzzy socks, so I got him a pair of thermal heat socks. So hopefully this helps him stay warm. Also, Five Below was having a sale on their Halloween candy, so you get 3 bags for $5. So I got 6 bags of candy. They all have, well, this has 32 pieces. They have fruit snacks, Sour Patch Kids. This has 100 pieces. Starburst. These have 60 pieces in it. And then I got some Airheads. And this has 75 pieces. And I got some gummy bears. This has, why doesn't it, all of them have the freaking piece? I don't know how many pieces is in here. And then some Skittles. And this has, I don't know how many pieces come in here either, but about 27 per container. So I guess like 20 bags in here. So I feel like this is enough. My community is, it's a big, like a nice, decent sized community. But I feel like that's enough candy for the kids. If we happen to get another bag, that's fine. But I feel like this is a good start. So got the candy. I also need to this weekend go and get the kids costumes because we haven't done that, and Halloween is like next week. So I'm going to show you what I got from Sephora. I had a gift card and I had points. So I ended up paying $15 out of my money for these items. First things first is this Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. It has rose fruit extract. It removes impurities and softens. And I have been using this for years. So this is my go-to toner. Fresh out. I've been using the Pharmacy Deep Hydration Toner. The Deep Purifying Toner. And I like that toner, but I like it more so for the evening times. This toner is just everything to me. So I absolutely love this toner. Highly recommend. It clears my skin. It gets away all the impurities. It's not heavy. Toners aren't supposed to be heavy anyway, but it's hydrating. I love it. And we have 4 minutes left, so let me hurry up. Okay, so let me show you this. So I've used this before as well. This is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. I got this for my daytime cleanser because I'm fresh out of my cleanser that I get from my esthetician. So my facial is next week. I'm gonna get that for evening time, but this is for my daytime cleanser. So I like to stick with the same brands. I use Pharmacy and Fresh for my skincare. But they didn't have pharmacies. They don't sell pharmacy in the Sephora that I went. I went to a Sephora in JCPenney's, and they don't carry all of the brands. So I say that to say I needed the Pharmacy green makeup removing balm, but they didn't have it. So the sales associate told me about Glow Recipe. I've never used this brand before, and she says she uses this. It's the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. It's makeup melting and smoothing. So I want to try this because I have texture on my face. I need to hurry up. I have texture on my face, and the spatula fell out. I thought it was going to be bigger than this, to be honest, because look at this box. I thought it was going to be way bigger than this, so that's a dud, but I'm going to smell it. It smells like papaya. I guess so. It's glass, so I love that for me. So yeah, that's what I got from Sephora. And now, Bath & Body Works. They did not have a major sale in Bath and Body Works. I got 6 soaps. I got 2 flannel, because I love the smell of the flannel candles. I got 2 marshmallow firesides, because I love the smell of those candles as well. And then I got these 2 scents that I've never used, and this says Kitchen Lemon, so I'm gonna put this in my kitchen because it says it's zesty lemon, sparkling citrus, and Italian bergamot. And then toasted vanilla chai, it just seemed nice. So this has whipped vanilla, fragrance notes of whipped vanilla, spun sugar, and winter spice. So that's exciting to me as well. So those 6 candles, those 6 soaps, and I got 6 candles. 2 of them were on sale for 50% off. It was the holiday candle, the Halloween candles. So I got 2. This one is Vampire Blood. I don't like the packaging, but it smelled pretty good. It has notes of blood, red strawberry, midnight blooming jasmine, dark Transylvanian plum. Why can't they just put strawberry, jasmine, and plum? And natural essential oils. It's red, looks like this. I also got the GHOUL Friend scented candle. It smells good. It smells so, it's sweet though. Strawberries, peony, citrus. So those 2 sweet smelling candles. Now for the winter candles, because they did put the winter candles out. Gingerbread Marshmallow. Looks like this. It has notes of gingerbread spice, eggnog, spiced rum, vanilla frosting, brown sugar crystals. And I plan to put this in my kitchen because I love those types of scents in my kitchen. This one, oh my God, it smells like clean linen, which is called Sun-Drenched Lemon. It's clean lemon, crisp apple, and soft musk. I don't know where I'm gonna put this, but it smells so freaking good. I should put it in my laundry room, but I don't want to burn candles in my laundry. Anyway. And then I got sweater weather. Did I get 2 of those? No. I got sweater weather, and I get this every year. So sage, juniper berry, aromatic, eucalyptus, fresh woods. I got this, and we're running out of time. And then winter cabin has winter air, black pepper, warm amber, and cedar. And that smells like that's a really masculine scent. So if you like mahogany teakwood, this reminds me of mahogany teakwood. It's just not as strong. I think you would like this scent. So it's called Winter Cabin, like that. So that's everything that I got from all the stores that I went to. And I think I'm going to end this vlog here since I'm out of time. I will see you guys in my next one. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So, bye.